validation comes with the expectation, validation comes with the anticipation, and validation means acknowledging the things, permission, right?
Girl from Delhi. What
Okay.
she used to stitch clothes.
Okay,
Fashionable.
now I got it. Now I got it. She just went for the Cannes Fest.
So
How are you?
I am exceptionally well. And now I am going to be quite more well because I am connecting with you. So I think this conversation is going to be fantastic for the viewers also and for me also.
Yes, of course. I'm just crossing my finger because I just came from a long trip. I was not in my town. Yes.
Okay.
That day I was talking to you from Uttarakhand.
Okay. You are from the for vacation purpose you went there?
Yes, yes, for vacation purpose. I just came back. Yesterday only we came back. So now I'm connecting with you. This is my first call.
Okay, great. So how was the weather over there?
Extremely fantabulous, I would say. It was like a heaven for us, कहीं जाने की
So
जरूरत नहीं है. Need not to go anywhere, just migrate to Uttarakhand and you will have a pleasant weather over there.
yeah. Isn't it in drastically changed? If you move from the Delhi, as soon as you cross the border, you will see the changes because of
Yes,
the only because of the pollution. So where did you go?
we went to Tiri Dam.
Tiri Dam.
Tiri Dam, yes, Tiri Dam.
Okay, was it not humid over there?
No, 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 not at all. It was a rainy weather, but it was a rainy season. It was a
Okay.
drizzling over there. It was not very, raining like a cats and dog, but it was drizzling, I would
Yeah, so
say.
drizzling weather we can manage, but when it started pouring us, it become difficult to manage to drive, and we cannot explore the thing the way which we want. But I heard a few days back, I also went to Kanatan. If you are
Mhm.
you aware?
No, 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 no. I just,
You did,
no,
have you
no,
ever
no,
seen Kanatan?
no, no, no. Where it is?
It is very close to Tehri. Have you? I think you must have heard about Dhanolti.
Dhanolti, yes, I heard that.
Yeah,
Dhanolti.
yeah. Actually, Dhanolti is quite popular, but the Kanatal, it's quite amazing place.
Mm-hmm.
It's a not remote place. You will hardly get any kind of crowd. In you for
Mm-hmm.
a person who are looking for a peaceful place rather
Mm-hmm.
than going popular like Shimla, Masuri. But if you
Mm-hmm.
want to explore a place which is quite, in terms of everything, greenery,
Mm-hmm.
you will get adventure activity and Kodia Forest. You can get the chance to visit
Tell
over
me,
there.
ma'am, how's your day is going on?
Yeah, well, things or sometimes I feel like though I'm not getting time for my channel because my daughter always revolves around me. But it still is the earlier my channel was crawling, but now
Mm-hmm.
it has started walking. I would say, and I'm quite optimistic. Someday or the other, it will run properly.
No, no, of course, hard work is always paid off.
Yes.
So we just need to put our efforts towards it, and you never know when you will get your reward.
Yeah, but if sometimes we get the reward or any kind of push up in the regular interval, so it
Mhm.
become easier to be motivated. But when the gaps became so long, so we started jetting in the sprint. So we feel like okay, things are not going well. What should I try to get get the better results? But when you get some kind of boost in a regular
Mm-hmm.
interval, so it's become more helpful.
So
So
yes, we were just talking about that, if we get the appreciation, right? We
yes,
get a kind of confidence inside us. So there's a word, popping up in my brain and, here, the validation. Validation,
yes,
right? Validation means, according to my validation means, acknowledging, right? Getting permission and appreciation, right?
yes.
That is all about validation for myself. So what is the meaning of validation for you? First of all, what is the meaning of validation for me? Like I told, I validation for me is, appreciation, acknowledging the things. So according to you, what is validation for you?
you know everybody puts their 100% when they do something. Most when I am uploading a video, anything I do, I just try my best to do
Mm-hmm.
whatever knowledge I have. I just trying to put it. So when you don't get any kind of proper feedback, any kind
Yes.
of proper result, so
Hmm.
we started blaming ourselves. that there must be something wrong with me, and that's why I'm not getting such kind of feedbacks or anything. But it could be, there could be many other reasons. You are not getting views, maybe you are not uploading that way, maybe your something is wrong. But those feedback help you to motivate. So validation for me, whatever work you are doing, you are getting appreciation. It means it gives you a direction, it gives you an indication that you are going in a right path. Validation doesn't mean if you are getting good comments from the viewer side, if you are getting at least a single comment from your family side also, if your daughter appreciate, if your husband appreciate, it's also a validation from me. Validation means how you are valuable, your content, yeah, whatever task you are doing, how you consider it is. And self validation most important.
Yes.
Like if you like someone's video, we don't like to give any kind of comment.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Of course.
that is more important. If you like to be loved, you should give love. So similar way, if you like to be appreciated, start appreciating others.
Yes, indeed. Precisely, I would say, I've connected one of the co-learner with me, not one, twice and thrice. When I was connected with my co-learner, they usually, appreciate on screen that, madam, I like your videos, the way you are speaking, the way, the word you are using. It's really commendable. I said, okay, but you didn't give me any like and you didn't, write any comment for it. Oh, ma'am, I don't have that habit to put any comments and like and all. I said them, I convey, I educate them, writing a comment and giving a like, that doesn't mean that you are, giving a kind of a appreciation. It is kind of a boosting, it gives a confidence to me. It navigate me to empower my work in the right direction.
Yes, yes, that's same thing I told. Nah? These comments help us that we are doing in the right. I believe that if you don't like something, just don't say anything. Just say this thing I don't like it. So that could be also a kind of appreciation. You are, at least you have give that courage and you waste your time. Then you write the comment. It means you have watched my video. That's why you are willing to say such kind of thing. So that, earlier I was not in the, frankly speaking, I'm just telling it in front of camera. Earlier I was not in that kind of person. But since I started getting comment, and I have realized one comment can make my day.
Of course.
Only one comment, and ma'am, you are doing well. A single comment can make my day. So if I will do the same thing, whom I admire, whom work I like, so why shouldn't I? I should also do the same thing. Earlier I was not doing, but I have started now doing such things. If I like someone work, I started. Only single comment cannot be take that much time. But for them who are not that much popular, who are popular, they don't borrow. But they don't bother whether you are commenting or not, they are getting. But beginner like me, and there are so many. So one comment really, and if we support our fraternity, like we are in a group and we support each other, that is good enough.
I always give appreciation whether people are giving me appreciation or not. But yes, I always, try to give appreciation, a kind of a token of appreciation to my co-learner, because we are, like you just mentioned, that we are in the same fraternity, right? And
Yes,
we need to support each other. If we
yes.
like the work, we need to support each other work.
We are
And
not
that is
asking for money.
we are not asking for the money.
We are asking for good comment. So earlier I was not doing so, but now I have started. Earlier when I used to have conversation in anyone, so it was just after the end of conversation, I was not doing anything. But when I got from few words from the others, like ma'am, it was right, good conversation, thank you. Then I realized, okay, I should also do the same thing.
Yes, it is a vice versa, ma'am. It is a vice versa. It is a, I would say, byproduct. Sometimes I'm not saying, I always convey that, I'm not saying that you just write it a very good comment, a very incredible comment. You can write if I'm doing somewhere wrong, if I'm committing any mistake, where I need to be improvement, right? You can write it down. I will take it gracefully, because I know if I'll make a mistake and you are rectifying it now, so I'll be one step ahead to this journey.
Yeah, we should always take the criticism positively. This is the best way to go ahead. And if you talk about the people who are popular, they always take positive criticism. There are two kind of criticism, na? One is positive criticism. Yeah, you are finding my mistake and you are just telling. And there are kind of criticism who are just, trying to pull your.
And we need to welcome, ma'am, we need to welcome all kind of comments. We always get ready for all the comments because we are on the social media, and every people have a different mindset. Is one person is different from other. All are not, all individuals are not same.
So, what I am telling, my motto is that, my point of view is that, yeah, they are free to write, but how we are taking that criticism? If the criticism is positive, which can help me to go ahead, we should take it. And other rest criticism is not, we don't need to pay that much of attention.
Just skip it. Yes, just skip it. That we can skip that.
The live and the, what I would say, the quit essential is a word.
Quit.
Quit essential.
Quit.
Yeah, quit essential is a word I'm not getting. So it means that a person is a perfect example of anything.
Okay.
It's a word. Maybe I am mispronouncing it. So I would say that, have you heard about the Nancy Tyagi?
Nancy Tyagi, no.
You don't know? So she's the perfect example of dedication and how to take the negative criticism and how to be consistent and how change criticism in the appreciation. I'm just telling you, girl from Delhi.
Okay.
What she used to stitch clothes.
Okay, now I got it. She just went for the dance.
Yeah. Though, so she's a perfect example. Earlier people used to say her Haddi.
Oh.
Because so is
body shaming.
Yeah, body shaming. And she's skinny. And what she used to do, she used to just stitch the attire of the popular celebrity, and she used to wear and make the video. But if she had taken those criticism in that way, she would not be here, the place she is right now. But she didn't take any attention toward those negative comments. She was just keep on doing, and where she is right now. It's a dream for everyone who is in such era. So the Nancy Tyagi is a perfect example. It takes time, but if you are dedicated, if you are not bothering what people are saying about you, and still now she is so much getting so much popularity, and she's quite popular. Still people are commenting Hatti. Now I feel these are those people only who cannot do anything in their life.
Yes, we can't change their mindset. We need to be focused. We need to be very focused and dedicate for our work. That's the only thing we can, do it. We can't change each and every one person.
He is still, if he has proven herself.
Yes.
Now she has proven. I think people mentality should be changed. But still there are many who are telling her like Abhi bhi Haddi lagti hai. Such kind of comments she is getting. So it means these are only those people, what I can say, that those who are not getting any kind of appreciation in their life, and they're not going anything concrete in their life. That's why they get such kind of time to comment on the personality of anyone.
Yes, coming back to the topic, that validation, we don't require any validation here, right? We are focused. We know that what is good and what is bad for us, what is incredible and what is awful for us. So we know we don't require any validation. In that scenario, we don't require. Otherwise, we always looking forward for the validation. I would say validation, actually, from where that word comes in human brain, I would say that word validation is associated with the anticipation. We always anticipate from others, right? We always anticipate. Like if I talk myself, if I'm uploading any video, I always looking forward. Did I get any comment? Did I get any like? Anticipation, that word validation actually associated with anticipate.
And when we put, actually, why do we anticipate? Because whatever we are doing, we are saying that I have done a good job. And that very day, that very moment after uploading, we started getting, we went in the zone of anticipation. Now, how I am going to get, how many subscribers I am going, and we cannot change it. And it should be there. If we not think positive way, how will I grow? So anticipation and validation is very required to grow, but it's up to you how you are taking in. Someone is not appreciating you, it's their problem, not your problem. What we can do, we can just be the better version of ourselves.
Yes, absolutely. It is subject. It is a subject, or it matters and it is a priority of everybody has a different priority, I would say, and everybody has to decide that what if they are requiring validation there, then take it in a positive way, and if they don't want, then just skip it,
Yes,
right?
yeah,
Skip.
that is the point.
Yes, ma'am. So anything else you want to, or ma'am, we should conclude this conversation.
Yeah, you can, you can. It was really amazing. Always, whenever we have conversation, it always remain fruitful and enlightening for me. Always, I always learn many things from you. So,
Same here. I always love to connect with you. As I just saw your message in the group, and let's just connect to the Poonam ji. This would be a amazing going to be amazing conversation with you, and we can conclude this conversation that validation is not a single word or sentence word, right? Validation comes with the expectation. Validation comes with the anticipation, and validation means acknowledging the things, permission, right? Depend on person to person how you want to take it. If you want to take it and in an optimistic way, then go for it, right? And
yes.
if it giving you a kind of a sense of negativity, you can just skip it.
Yeah, I stand with, I stand that. And the thing is that validation totally depend on your way of thinking.
Yes.
That is the only conclusion, the way of thinking, what kind of thinking you are. If you are having negative thinking, your validation could be negative, and
Mm.
you can take negative and turn into positive. It's up to you. So it's all about your thinking, and things matter a lot.
Things is matter a lot. Yes, absolutely. So, ma'am, thank you so much connecting with me.